Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do a simple pen trick that is called top spin, and it looks like this. To do this trick you need to know a thumb around, and also you need to know how to do a thumb around from this position with your index finger like this. So the trick is simple as all of the tricks that contain the word spin in the name of the trick. The only thing you should do is find the right place where pen spins. So for top spin, the place is here on top of your thumb, like on side of your thumb, right here. So you push as a thumb around, you push with your middle finger, but you don't do a regular thumb around. You turn your hand a little and you move your thumb downwards like this, Newbies, when they start doing thumb around, they do this motion very often. They do not hold their thumb still, so you need to move it for top spin, and you just release the pen. Okay, so after you pushed the pen, the center of the pen should match this point on your thumb. And note that the pen does not touch my middle finger as it spins. So if I show you from this perspective, it doesn't touch this part. Okay. So the biggest tip here is you just practice how to get the center of the pen on side of your thumb. Okay, you push with your middle finger and then you bring your two fingers together like this, while the rest of your fingers simply do not participate. So after you learned how to push, you just hold your hand still. You shouldn't move your hand, okay? After you have mastered this variation, you can move to this one. It's the same trick, but you push with the index finger and then you bring index and thumb together. If you know how to do a thumb around like this, it is simple. So the push is simple for you. The only thing is that while pen spins, again, it doesn't touch the index finger, and you can release your index finger while pen spins like this. You see, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.